But I've been looking at Algorand on the weekly time frame, and I found something like this. And this is something I want you guys to see. I've already marked these zones here, and I told you um this was a zone where we should expect price to reject multiple times. And price have rejected this zone multiple times for Algorand. Now, when you see a chart like this on the weekly time frame, and you zoom out, you look at what price have done, look at what price did, and you also look at the fundamentals of that coin, then you see that, oh, this coin looks so good. The fundamentals look so good, the team looks so good, and now we are seeing retracement. And when we see like retracement, like what happened, we're gonna see pullback, and pullback must not come, and price must not do what I mentioned before, like close below. Price must stay above, this low here. Now, when you look at Algorand is respecting that structure. Is respecting price action. So if we go to the 4 hours time frame, now we can plug and see what is going on the 4 hours time frame. You can see we have this vector here, we have this vector here, and price has bounced from all of these zones. Now, if say we bring in our FIP, let's bring in our FIP to confirm what I'm trying to say here. If I take it from the bottom to the top there, give me my trading zone. And this was the golden pocket. Price bounced from this golden pocket before, you know, and now price has bounced there again. And price bounced there, price didn't go to make higher highs. So this is concerning for Algorand. But one thing I love here is that, if price is able to hold this area here, then maybe we can see a huge, like a next pump to the upside. But for us to really confirm that we are back, or we might go and create the next high for Algorand, is when price do something like this. Price must go up there, come back here, hold here, then move back to the upside. If price is not able to do something like this, then we might as well just come right down here and boom. So this is gonna be a bad entry. Let me not say this would have been as if it has happened. This will be a bad entry for you. So wait for confirmation. But if say you are an investor, again, I have to differentiate who you are: an investor, a trader. So if you are an investor, of course, if you look at the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, I would say buy it. Keep accumulating, if you are here for the long term. But if say you just want to trade, you just want to day trade this, you want to swing trade this, you want to protect yourself, you don't want to blow your capital, then this structure here must be respected. Price, haven't yet gone on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, to break and form the next high, but it has retraced back after this dome. It has retraced back, but it hasn't come back to form lower lows. So this is important, looking at Algorand long term. And now, if we look at Algorand today on the 1 hour time frame, I would say that it's not sustainable. Like the setup is not that great. But I have to bring in my alpha trend to give me a go ahead to see what is going on here. And also I can see that price is in a downtrend. Looking at the alpha trend, ever since the alpha trend created this sell signal, it has always been in a downtrend, except but it wasn't able to hold. So we are in a zone where I think Algorand is still down. So for day traders, if you want to trade this today, trader, what you should be looking at is more of a sell opportunity. But I don't do more of sales. I do more of buys. I sell only when I'm cashing out profits. I focus more on, so I'm more of the bull guy. And if say it get to where I have to sell, I ignore it and get to the next coin, because there are so many of these coins out there that we can make real gains from.